Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the cute walrus pet from Roblox Adopt Me. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. With this drawing, I'll be erasing some lines, so I'd recommend drawing in a pencil first. Okay, let's start off by drawing the snout. Start with the hook curve here. And then another wider one on the right. You should end up with an upside down heart shape with a curved top like this. Then inside, draw the nostrils. And now add 3 black circles in the bottom right. Let's add the tusk next with 2 long curved V shapes. Now let's draw the shape of the head. Draw a circle shape starting from the top left of the snout and going down to the right side of the right tusk. And then add one more curve in between the tusks here. Let's draw the eyes next. Draw a curved semicircle shape along the left side of the head. And then color it in black. Now to the right, draw a circle for the other eye and color it in black as well. Lastly, for the head, add 3 whiskers on either side of the snout like this. Let's draw the shape of the body now. Starting from the bottom right of the tusk, draw a curve down to the right and back up as you go out. And do the same thing for the top of the body, starting from the side of the head. Now close off the end of the tail with a curve. Let's add his flipper next. Draw the sides of the flippers down across the bottom of the body here. And then close off the bottom with a curved square shape. Now add one more smaller curve on the top left. And then erase the body line inside. Lastly, let's add the other flipper with a curved V shape on the left side. And that's it for this cute walrus pet. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!